close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. And love.
Final day, guys. Going across. I'll turn over a little bit. Everyone knows how that food so quick. I know how that food so quick at all. Enough water pressure now, man. Yeah, man. Turn system and everything I work. Enough water pressure, man. Good. I'm burning over here, so everything will dry up. Pepper them. Plant in here, sir. Some scallion. Pepper. Lemons, huh? Straight over at the tank. Let's strap them down now. Come across. Come down. Then lock off. All them I come up to there. Jelly. One. Where's I come up today? Go and do some work upstairs. After that, you know. Try to do some work upstairs. Water. Purpose of cover already. We can drive out, you know. Covering up back. And the view, guys. Here I come upstairs. Beautiful. Beautiful St. Elizabeth. Beautiful Jamaica. One cocoa full basket, guys. Take your time and do your thing, you know. Can't forget yard. Can't forget Jamaica. Burn them so it might dry up. Do some work upstairs, yeah, before I go up. I should do a little bit of work before I go up. Some work before I go up, guys. And there's a little bit of work on the house, eh? After I'm done with the water. Jamaica. Can't forget yard, you know. Sun bright. Drill at work? Drill at work? Strap them in, huh? Pressure high. It turn off and turn on, it bounce. Thanks for watching, guys.